Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got ACER Iconia P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it. And right now we are in the video mode. So let me switch to the picture one, just tap on the picture. And now all we have to do is to enter the settings. Forgive me, but I will not just, or maybe I will turn the tablet. So let's tap on the settings. They are in the left upper corner. And as you can see at the very top, we've got the self timer option. So let's tap on it. Here we've got 3 different options. So off, 2 and 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option which you'd like to use. I will choose 10 seconds, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here. So let's go back to the camera, and now all we have to do is to simply tap on the shutter button. What is more, here you've got the notification which is showing you wherever you've got the timer set or not, and which one, so the 10 or 3 seconds, and so you can always quickly check without the need to enter the settings. So let's tap on this shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, we can of course turn off the timer, so let me enter the settings again, tap on the self timer and choose off. After getting back, you can see that, that your device will right now take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.